now I have the pleasure to introduce Jeremy Farrar for the Wellcome Trust. He will also speak on behalf of the Therapeutics Accelerator. Jeremy, it's so good to have you here. You have the floor.
President Ursula von der Leyen, thank you very much, and thank you for your leadership and that of your fantastic team in bringing us together. I'm delighted to speak today on behalf of the Wellcome Trust. Wellcome, as an independent charity to support research to improve human health everywhere in the world, is very proud to partner in this bold and much needed initiative. We're clear that COVID-19 needs collaboration and a leadership on a global scale between international institutions, governments, and supported by the private sector and philanthropy. COVID-19 has brought into the spotlight global leadership, and it's a privilege to share a platform with so many of you today. Thank you for your leadership and for your vision. For as long as COVID-19 is out of control anywhere, it's out of control everywhere, and it's a threat to all of us. The focus until now, of course, has been on the immediate response, and that has bought us time. But let us all be clear that this is now an endemic human infection. It is not going away. This is not SARS. We have to assume and plan for rebounds and for second waves. The world cannot go through repeated lockdowns. The world is losing some $200 billion a week to this global crisis. Science and the sharing of that science is the only true and equitable exit from this pandemic. And this summit is a crucial step towards our shared future. And our future needs that investment now. Today has a clear purpose: the development of 3 tools: diagnostics, treatments, and vaccine. And we will need all 3. We cannot guarantee to have treatments. We cannot guarantee to have vaccines. We have to be able to develop both. I'm very proud to announce today that alongside our initial investment of $100 million in CEPI, Wellcome will commit an additional $50 million to the Therapeutics Accelerator alongside the Gates Foundation and MasterCard, and an additional $26 million for the support of essential research and capacity in low and middle income countries. That is in addition to the $1.3 billion we fund in research for human health every year. The Therapeutics Accelerator will urgently work 24/7 to develop treatments that will help prevent and treat people with COVID-19, and they will save lives. Ensuring treatments, vaccines, and diagnostics are made available to everybody in the world who needs them on an equitable basis, independent of their ability to pay, is crucial. That's why the Therapeutics Accelerator, alongside our partners at UnitAid, will be a co-convener of the ACT Accelerator, a global collaboration for diagnostics, treatments, and vaccines. This has to lead to faster, equitable access to all the tools we need to turn what is a global crisis into a manageable condition. Hope, solidarity, multilateralism, and a shared equitable endeavour is the only way forward. And it also speaks volumes to the sort of world we choose to live in the future, in the 21st century. Today is the start of those choices, and Wellcome is honoured to be part of this global enterprise. Thank you to everybody involved, particularly to our host, President von der Leyen, and the European Commission to help us bring together. Let us make sure that the 4th of May 2020 is the start of a new era, and a day we will all remember with pride. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jeremy. It's so good to have you on board. And we continue with the government representatives. Now for Latvia.